Hello, welcome to UNGER. I'm Chem Techer, and today I'm going to show you the new nLITE water-fed telescopic pole system from UNGER. The nLITE pole system is exactly tailored to your needs, and I will introduce you to its unique features. I promise, nLITE will revolutionise your everyday work too. Let's go! A top feature is the PrecisionGrip. The new nLITE pole system now has a unique non-round PrecisionGrip pole shape as a top feature. Our PrecisionGrip pole shape has a contact surface that is optimally adapted to the hand. This enables a high-force transmission and comfortable work. Due to the higher stiffness, you have a much better control during the cleaning movement. Another advantage, the PrecisionGrip pole shape prevents the pole and brush from twisting. With the nLITE pole system, nothing stays the same. What are you waiting for? Contact your dealer now or join our demo days and experience the clever features of nLITE yourself. P.S. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see the latest feature and life hack videos on our new nLITE pole system on a regular basis.